Hello, I'm Lindsay and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. We have a lot of exciting updates to share today, so let's dive right into it. Over on Discord, our community is now boasting 3,652 members. If you're not a part of this vibrant group, join us to be at the forefront of tech discussions and innovations. Over on social media, we just released a new video for Farcaster 101, which demystifies the differences between Farcaster and Warpcast. This insightful video clarifies how the Farcaster protocol is the backbone of Warpcast, enhancing your social media experience. This week's highlight is Block Labs. Block Labs excels in crafting tailored blockchain solutions, from crypto to DeFi to GameFi. Their comprehensive services support companies at any stage, helping them navigate the complexities of blockchain technology. With a portfolio that spans various industries, Block Labs is committed to innovation, quality, and delivering impactful digital solutions. We are very excited to announce Pinata Analytics. Our goal has always been to empower developers, and with analytics, we're providing vital tools to understand your content's performance on IPFS better. Before analytics, gaining insights into content interaction was a challenge. Now, with detailed data on requests and bandwidth, developers can optimize their strategies, enhance user engagement, and propel their businesses forward. For our tip of the week, let's dive into castception. Imagine sending casts within casts, creating layers of interaction akin to the dream layers in Inception. Our new frame allows users to connect their Warpcast account, create a signer, and interact in a way never seen before. It's a deep dive into the potential of Farcaster Auth, offering a unique way to engage and communicate within the platform. And that's it for this week's Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more insightful content and updates from me or Steve. In the meantime, I hope you stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.